5 tech gadgets under $50. Even though it seems too good to be true, there's no longer a need to break the bank when needing a great tech product. Today, countless high-quality yet inexpensive tech gadgets cost just $50 or less. Welcome back to Tech Genius. In this video, we will explain the top 5 tech gadgets under $50 to enable you to make a stress-free decision. Watch on to find out. Number 1. InCharge 6. InCharge 6, as its name indicates, is a 6-in-1 connecting cable that lets you connect between different types of USB devices. To be precise, InCharge 6 supports USB, Type-C Lightning, and micro USB connections. It also features charging and sync, allowing you to transfer data from portable devices to computers quickly. It even allows you to transfer power from a phone to another, wireless earbuds, and other devices. Number 2. Spheromini. Spheromini robot is one of the best STEM toys ever made for children. The Spheromini is a robot ball that can be configured to meet your requirements and is controlled by an app. You may play games with it, move it around, and compete with other Sphero users using your smartphone. Spheromini is a little robot around the size of a ping pong ball that packs a great experience. It is packed with an accelerometer, a gyroscope, LED lights that glow in different colors, and different interchangeable shells. You can get the ball rolling just by using your face. You might be surprised, but it's a fact. Face Drive is a first-of-its-kind feature that uses facial recognition technology to drive that ball. And thanks to app upgrading, new exciting features are on the way. Number 3. Benjilock TSA Fingerprint Padlock. Nowadays, ensuring the safety of your belongings while you travel is important. With advanced fingerprint locks, most people abandon the regular door lock and opt for fingerprint locks. The fingerprint padlock is a perfect choice for those who love traveling a lot. The Benjilock TSA Fingerprint Padlock fills the gap. It is convenient to program and use. You will be glad to have the feeling of belonging and safety every time. It is less than $50 with all of its versatility, ease, compactness, accuracy, and super fastness. Number 4. Minipresso GR. Minipresso is a useful espresso maker made by the Chinese company Aukey. This espresso maker is so important and portable because it can do the job of big espresso machines. This espresso maker can grind your coffee beans to prepare your coffee drink. Unlike other espresso machines, this can be done anywhere and anytime you need something to relish yourself. If you are an ardent traveler, you must have this in your luggage, whether visiting the chilling New York or hot Arizona. More so, it's surprising the espresso maker was made with a cup in it, so there won't be any trouble searching for the cup to drink your favorite coffee. Number 5. Aukey Wireless Powerbank PBWL03. The Aukey Wireless Powerbank is the ideal solution to your concerns, whether you frequently travel and wonder how to recharge your phone while you're not at home, or if you desire to be in the cautious zone and always have a backup power source for your phone. This refined and futuristic power bank supports all QI-compatible phone models, which is sure to wow you with its wireless charging options. With a battery capacity of 20,000 mAh, the power bank provides enough battery power backup to ensure your phone won't die in the middle of a long weekend vacation. It can charge your smartphone multiple times depending on your phone. It can charge an iPhone XS more than 5 times, more than 4 times for a Samsung Galaxy S10, more than 4 times for an iPhone 11, and over 2.5 times for an iPad mini 5. The wireless charging power bank can also be used to charge earbuds and other tiny devices, so it has everything covered. For travelers, business people who are on the go, and anyone who's sick of carrying around too many tangled cords, this is an ideal power option for you. Technology is upgraded from breaking the bank to buying your budget, so I'm sure you will make the right decision after watching this video on the tech gadgets you will buy, as all these gadgets aren't up to $50. Which one of these gadgets do you find the most useful to you? Let us know in the comments section. If you've reached this far, make sure to like and subscribe and press the notification bell so you do not miss any future updates. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.